What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James, and today we're going to be touring a property right here for a client. Raj, as you're watching this is for you. Anyways, congratulations on putting that property under contract. But this is the little neighborhood, nice little cul-de-sac, and quite a bit of parking. We have the neighbor already working on their concrete. It's a very nice cul-de-sac. I think what they're doing over there is they're building a either another house or it's going to be like a little park. I'm not 100% sure, but you see they've added concrete on the side and the right side and the left side of the house, which makes it bigger. So you can do probably the same. Put concrete right there for more parking purposes, and then more concrete on this side. So then you can park your car better. So anyways, let's go ahead and tour it just to show you. So this is the next gen home. Currently right now it's called the Symphony. Before they used to call it the Rhapsody, right? One of the things that during our walkthrough we'll just have them do touch up on this thing. Okay. Alright. So on the right side we're going to tour the mother-in-law area, the mother-in-law suite first. So we've got a nice little loft area right here. Okay, nice little loft area. And then as we continue walking through, we have a nice little kitchen area right there. Of course, a touch-up paint needs to be done and all that good stuff. The stuff that I would want them to do is just to make sure these things are flattened out and straightened. See? Right there. It's kind of popping out. But this door right here needs to be blocked out. You need to create a wall. We've got the bathroom right here. Good size bathroom right there. Alright, and then got the laundry room right there, washer and dryer. Okay, that's really nice. They got the little tank right there for gas, I believe. Very interesting. A stackable one. Okay, and then we have a nice little bedroom right here. Closet. Okay. A window. Okay. And then we go here. Touch-up paint throughout the house. Of course. House is move-in ready. It just needs to be touched up. Right? And deep clean. But that's pretty much it. And guys, sorry for the alarm detector. That needs to be changed for these type of home. Yeah, so a wall need to be built right there. Okay, so this is going to have a wall right when you walk in. Left side of the house, we have the battery pack and everything. Extra paint, okay, for touch up. So here's the main house. They got the smoke alarm detector and everything. Huge island right there. And we have a nice living area over there. Also, if you walk this way, we have a nice dining area right here. Originally, what we want to do is we want to possibly create a wall right there and a wall right here, right, with the door. And turn this into either an office or a bedroom. Personally, I like the office vibe, but if you have a big family, you can turn that into a bedroom. All right, so we have this kitchen cabinets. Everything seems to be working fine. Nice refrigerator area, and then we have the walk-in closet right here for the food, the pantry area. Okay. Alright, so we have all that. Okay, so let's go upstairs. So let's go upstairs. Carpeted throughout the upstairs. Stuff that I would probably have them do is touch up these paint, right, while walking the stairs. And that's during like the walkthrough, you know. During our walkthrough, we gotta make sure everything is like touched up, okay, and finished. But it's not touched up and finished 100% yet, so it's okay, because they still need the buyer to come in and do the complete walkthrough. We got the bathroom right here, double sink. Guys, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn how we can help you save thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. Alright. And then if you're a real estate agent looking to learn how you can add an extra $300,000+ a year selling new construction home, go to our newconstructionclass.com. There's a free training for you guys. Okay. And then here's the washer and dryer room that's upstairs. And let's go toward the master. See, just a little scuff because people were cleaning, moving, and all that good stuff. But yeah, looks pretty good. Okay, we got the thermostat for the master bedroom right here. Okay, good size bedroom. Okay. We got the shower tiled and everything, so they've actually started to upgrade the tile, and they start doing it all the way to the top versus just like up there, which is really nice. Just add a little bit more finishing throughout the house. Walk-in closet right here. All right, so we got 3 bedrooms upstairs. Okay, 2 full bath upstairs. And the downstairs area is really nice also as well. All right. You can make a bedroom right here if you want, like right here, but it'll be pretty narrow. But actually, I prefer to keep this area open, and then just make the downstairs either the office or the dining area. Okay, so guys, James here with the Pham Real Estate Group. This is the area I prefer to make it an office space or a dining area. Let's check out the outside area. So here's the outside. Sorry about that, guys. That noise is super annoying. All right. So let me get out of here. All right, guys. James here with the Pham Real Estate Group. Again, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn how we can help you save thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. We're going to be signing out. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love.